final sprint for Project Loneliness. This is more a complete run through rather than is a dissemination of the actual specific code which we ran through on the prior sprints. So this is a run through from beginning to end. We can begin with the first part that everybody, I believe, remembers seeing, where we state that if you felt periods of loneliness, up to 40% of people experience loneliness at a period of time in their lives. And we go on to ask if you are struggling with thoughts of suicide. If so, please enter Y in line 4. We've entered Y in line 4 to reflect that. And as we will see, the outcome is such that we're given guidance to call the suicide hotline number for free and confidential help. If we were indeed actually entering, if we entered something other than Y, it would obviously not produce this result. We followed the else clause, it would take us to line 61, where we would now ask, how can you cope with and move beyond the feelings of loneliness? And we discussed at some length the labels previously. Which we will now run. So it will remind us that we could call, reconnect with a friend, go out to lunch, join a club, interact with others. And then we move to the part where we said to access your list of friends, please click on the blue link below. So we're clicking on the friends, names, and phone numbers. So this takes us to here. I'll scroll back up just so that we can see the code. We're not going to go through the code because we discussed it last time. We'll run the print. We've sorted the names. We'll sort them by name first. First name, I should say. And there they are. Now we've changed the contact name. Say we want to contact Leon Draisaitl. Say my friend's phone number is, and as we can see, that will print out the phone number for Mr. Draisaitl. We continue. It says please click on next immediately below in blue to search for information on clubs and groups. So this takes us back to our, if we click on next, it takes us back to our previous page, which takes us right down to here. And this tells us the actions to take. Click on the blue links below. Begin typing the name of the town or city in the box at the top of the page and select the town or city from the drop-down window. So let's look up book clubs in your area. So we can click on here. We're clicking on this blue link, which links us up to the website called meetup.com. As you can see, we've already defaulted to book club in Chicago. You can change the name of the city in here, but as you can see, we're just leaving it as Chicago. You can change it to anything you like. And as you can see, as you scroll down here, these are all the book clubs in the greater Chicago area. We can also, click on Chicago Book Club and events. Let's see. There we go. As you'll see, this takes us to further information. In this way, you can click on many different clubs or groups, as you can see. And that hopefully will help you be able to overcome the sense of loneliness or despair. So that is the Project Loneliness for this class. Hopefully you found it useful, and as always, I'm open to feedback. Thank you very much.